Front of me. I'm used to it here.
That's live.
Yes, you are live already, and we captured most of it. This is Facebook Live with Ritesh Deshmukh and Nargis Fakhri, and I wish I could show you what was happening. Ritesh, would you like to tell people what was happening here?
I was blowing my nose.
And guess what came out? I'm going to show you a picture. Wait.
Guess what came out of my nose?
Yeah.
No,
Maybe.
we're not going to show you what came out of the nose, but we do have a picture that's going to go viral now because
Why would it go viral?
Dude, who?
I don't have a viral.
But tell me,
What's that?
A tissue coming out of my nose because I had to blow it and you interrupted me.
is that the most embarrassing moment ever?
No, why should it be embarrassing?
No.
I think it's damn cool. I think it's very cool.
Yeah?
Very few people in this country can do that.
No, I think
Boy,
on
that's
camera.
like it's like a magic trick.
Yeah, it's a magic trick.
Alright, so we
Yeah.
do know that, she has some aces up her sleeves as far as tissues are concerned, but this interview is not about tissue, it is about the issue which is called banjo. And I want to really ask you that, why the name banjo?
Why?
Yeah.
Because it's an instrument, and it represents. Whenever you hear the word banjo, you hear the sound and the energy that's associated with it. And a lot of times, either it's called banjo party, either you have like a banjo team. But I think banjo is an instrument that represents all of them, and it has 5 strings.
Yeah.
So it represents each character, the 4 of us and Nargis.
Okay, did you know all of that, or you thought also like me that banjo is a food item? Because there is.
A food item? No.
There's a food item called banjo.
Banjo, yeah. So it's actually omelette, put in double roti like bread, and it's called banjo in most parts of the country. Did you
Which
know that?
parts of the country?
Especially the central part of India, it's called banjo.
Well, I just salivated.
Like omelette.
Omelette in between pav.
Okay. In Mumbai, it's called omelette pav.
Yeah, I'm hungry now.
In Mumbai, it's called omelette pav.
Omelette pav.
Oh.
Okay,
Would you call it a banjo?
yeah, it's called a banjo. So anyways, if you want to know more about banjo, you can send us your questions. We do have some questions already for them, and you can send them right away. Krishna Sispore says, when can we see you and Genelia together in a film?
Yeah.
Oh, hopefully soon, I hope. And I really want to work with her in a Marathi film. Because that's one language she hasn't done a film in.
Is she good with that?
Of course, she speaks and she's done movies in Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Kannada,
Wow.
Malayalam,
Wow.
and Marathi.
That's wow.
Born Maharashtrian, so she knows how to speak the language, and hopefully we get a chance to work together soon.
Have you learned Marathi?
No.
No word, like not at all. Didn't you teach it?
Jackass.
Ani, dusra?
Arnie. Mustat. Mustats?
Mustats, not bad.
Mustats, not bad.
Mustats.
Alright, so Jagdish Kulal has a question for you. Hi Nargis, how was your experience working with Ritesh?
Oh my goodness. It was so freaking amazing.
Lovely, thank you.
It was really good.
Thank you.
Well, I can see that you guys had a lot of fun on sets. Were there a lot
No.
of tissues being clicked at that time as well?
No tissues being
I
clicked.
have, actually it started, I took on photography this time on sets for the first
Yeah,
time.
thanks a lot for that picture that you took of me that I posted on Facebook. And did I tell you?
No, you want to tell
Please
me?
tell us, we are on
So
Facebook.
he's a really good photographer.
Okay.
He takes beautiful pictures, and I think I asked you to take. Oh, you
Yeah.
took pictures with my phone.
I took a picture from her phone.
It was a panoramic view of the Bombay.
entire creek, the Mumbai creek,
And with the
sea and
skyline and
skyline. What a lovely picture, and
Yeah.
whatever.
And I posted it
And
on
she
Facebook
posted-
as my cover page.
And then-
But
then what happened? Please tell them.
But unfortunately, someone became famous because their butt was on that picture.
because someone was taking a dump at the shore, he was there in the picture.
Only men going to the toilet out on the beach on the shore as the tide was pulled in.
Yeah.
Oh.
I never seen it. I didn't notice that.
And that
I
was your cover
posted
picture.
It as
Yeah.
my cover picture. And then 3 days later, I go back, and people are like, "Oh my God!" Some people are laughing. Some people are like, "Oh my God, how could you post this?" And I'm like, "What are they getting upset about? Like everyone's always getting upset about something." And then I look at the picture, and I'm
Welcome
looking
to
at
India.
it, and I'm like, "Holy shit!" I was like, "Oh my God!" I was like, "Literally, holy shit!" And I took it off right away. And I was like,
That's-
"Oh my God!"
That's the unholy part of it.
Yeah, but
I-
he became famous. Whoever that.
I don't know whether the guy is happy
I
or
don't know.
sad about it. Anyways, so Franklin Drax Traxler. That's a tough name.
Traxler.
Now, Nargis, what is your next project? He says.
It's called Project Sleep. I'm going to sleep.
Okay, Ashwin Kumar asks you, Ritesh, which is your favorite song from the film Banjo?
There are
Same
almost
song.
all the
Awesome.
songs, but I love Udan Show.
Yeah.
I think it's a great romantic number, and also because it's a perspective song. So basically, Tarat, who lives in a slum, and he looks at this beautiful girl and thinks about all the things how she would fit in his life. So being a fisherwoman or someone pouring him a drink at a bar because he's perpetually drunk, someone sweeping the street, or doing the masala thing, and then at the end, of course, looking at her as the Maharashtrian bride, because Tarat is a Marathi character in the movie. So it's almost like a dreamy song, but a very beautifully written and sung song.
Yeah, you're looking very nice, by the way, in that.
Thank you
attire. It's
so
like-
Thank you so much for the compliment also. Yeah.
Yeah. No, but okay, coming to that, like you have like really long hair in the film. So
Cool
who took
style.
more? Yeah, his hair is like
So
really long. So
Yeah.
who took more time on sets getting? Did he?
Nargis
I take like 10 minutes.
is by far the first heroine that comes on time and gets ready like 1 hour before.
1
What?
hour before.
Yeah, because they say,
And-
okay, come at 8 and be ready by 9. So we're okay, fine, we are ready by 9. But she's like, came at 8 and I'm ready by 8:10.
Yeah, I'm not even joking.
Yeah, and
I'm not
every
even
time.
joking, every
because
time.
there's this myth about how women, and we've
Yeah,
seen
they
it,
take
and
like-
fair enough.
yeah.
And there are certain women who take time because makeup really takes a lot of time. But I don't know how she does it.
Maybe because she looks like this, so she doesn't need that much of time. That's a compliment, by the way. Don't make it.
Thanks.
All right.
Thanks.
All right. So, Deep Prakash says, Ritesh, will you continue with this look because you look cool?
You look so cool.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I don't know what's going to happen with my hair, but right now I'm unemployed. I'm not doing any
It's the
movies.
look.
And so I have enough time to think about my hair, and I just grow my beard. But I'll start shooting my next film only in Jan or Feb.
Okay.
So for next 3-4 months, I'm just going to chill, grow my hair, grow my beard, and see where it goes.
Chilling reminds me that you've been chilling a lot, and I've been told that you gave us some serious holiday goals. Have you ever thought of designing a career out of
Designing
it, like designing
holidays?
holidays for people?
I
Yeah.
don't want to design holidays for people. I want to do my own holidays.
Okay, so where
Yeah, no,
do you
that's
where
a-
do you see yourself going next?
I am going to Barbados, maybe Mexico, maybe South America, and then maybe Hawaii
I want your life.
in the next 3-4
Who
months.
wouldn't?
Yeah,
Yeah.
imagine. Yeah, amazing. Well done, Nargis.
All right, so now we're gonna do.
Nothing.
Now we're going to do something fun. I'm going to ask you very fun questions and quick questions. So you think your movies, Ritesh, first check amount that you received.
First check amount that I received for my film.
Yeah.
Debut film.
It's a bit personal.
Yeah, but
There's hardly anything personal after that Facebook cover.
25 lakh rupees.
But that's not my.
That was your first amount.
Yeah.
That's amazing, dude.
Yeah, amazing. I was really paid
you-
well by my.
All right, Nugget's
Pretty-
yours.
I'm not telling.
No?
No.
All right. Which
that's private.
Which character were you first auditioning for? Did you get that?
Yeah, my first film.
Okay.
And I never wanted to be an actor. And I just got a chance. I did that film and my life changed. I became an actor. I married the girl. I have kids and everything started because of that film.
Super. Do you remember your first show was for which designer? No. All right. They're probably not going to be happy. Anyway, so what we're going to do is that there are last two things that we want to say. All your fans who are watching right now, please tell them why they should go and watch Banjo.
They should go and watch Banjo because we're in it, and he has really cool hair.
There's great music, there's drama, and it's about 4 people who have certain dreams and how Nargis comes in their life and then gives them hope.
I know.
कि आप अब तक पेट के लिए बजाते थे, अब दिल के लिए बजाओ.
Wah! That is the line of the day. But since Ganpati was just happening, and did you celebrate this year with your baby?
Oh yes, of course. Every year we celebrate Ganpati, and it's a ritual. And yes, the entire family was together, and we had a lovely eco-friendly Ganpati celebration, and they're still continuing. So yes.
Have you been to any of the Ganpati celebrations?
Not this year.
Alright, so you can invite Nargis because she's going to read your comments later on Facebook. This is Shardul and Sport Boy saying bye-bye. Thank you. Please go and watch Banjo because these two are super fun.